Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Elga Rahmah. I'm from Diploma 4 in Electromedical Engineering, Poltekkes Kemenkes Surabaya, and I'm in the 4th semester. And today I would like to do my assignment from Mr. Wisnu. So I will explain you about solder. And in this video, I would like to divide into 3 chapters. The first chapter is preparing the materials or the solder, and show you part by part of this solder. And the second chapter is preparing to solder, how to solder. And the third chapter is soldering in a PCB. Well, soldering is one of the most fundamental skills needed to be the real electro students. Although it is possible to learn about and build electronics without needing to pick up a soldering iron, you will soon discover that a whole new world is opened with this one simple skill. Soldering is the only permanent way to fix components to a circuit. So I have experienced that when I was in a project team, we tried to find out how to fix the project, and finally we found out that it comes from this one. We did a mistake from soldering a circuit. So we jump into the step 1. It is preparing materials for soldering. This is what solder looks like. This is the cover, to cover the conductor and the tips, which has the conductor inside it, so it protects them. And the second one is soldering tips. The tips is as a conductor that delivers the heat, raising the temperature of the metal components to the two components to the melting point of the solder, and the solder melts accordingly. And the second one is the wand. It holds the tip and also the part that is handled by the user. It usually made of a variety of insulating materials such as rubbers to prevent the heat of the tip transferring to the outside of the wand. And the next is the cable to connect with the electricity. And the support things is the standing. We use it when we take a break and need the solder in the next second times, so it will be safe. The next chapter is preparing to solder. The first thing, you need to warm up the iron by connecting it to the electricity. And then to make sure it is ready to use is using this wire. Jump in the next chapter, the third chapter, and the last chapter is how to soldering a circuit in a PCB. So the first, we need to prepare a little space. I need to solder the LED right over here, and then make sure that the solder is already ready to use. And make sure that the circuit is good enough. And it's done. Don't forget to clean up the tips by this liquid. Thank you. Well, maybe that's all my assignment video. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.